What up, YouTube? This is Woody coming back with another ride review. Today we're at Springfield, Ohio at Ride 1 Power Sports at Springfield, Ohio. And we're getting ready to ride GSX-R 1000 2019. A couple years ago, I think it was 2 years ago, I got to ride the 750. And now I'm going to ride the 1000. It's got a quick shifter, he just got done telling me. Up and down. I'm not going to be able to get into all the specs and stuff. I'm not a spec guy anyway. And, dude, this seat is high. I'm barely getting my heels down. Very aggressive stance. Feel like I'm going to be doing a headstand. The clip-ons are definitely lower than the seat. Jeez. Way more aggressive than maybe the RR I rode here I think it was last year. Oh, smooth. Quick shifter up and down. It's kind of smooth, and you're rolling on the throttle before you even realize it. Like, the throttle is so light. This is definitely aggressive. I really do think this might be a little more aggressive seating than the RR was. Let's see, gear indicator. How many miles left to empty? It sounds sick. Dude, it sounds so cool. Touchy throttle, a little touchy, because it's so light. As soon as I hit a bump, it like jolted the throttle a little bit. Not auto canceling turn signals are no. I mean, my knees are about a foot and a half away from my hands. I'm not uncomfortable yet, but we're just now getting going. I'm the only one riding in this group. I got a guy in front of me and a guy behind me, and that's it. And they're giving the ride. Just two old guys too, so we probably won't be getting into it too hard. Apparently they are the instructors at Ride 1 Power Sports that do the MSF course, which is kind of cool. So they know what they're doing. They're older guys. That's a pretty cool bike, that M109X, I think it was. I can't get past the tail end of it. I'm not a fan of how the fender seat comes down to the fender over the tire. I think it looks a little goofy, but oh, listen to that. Don't believe that Camaro would stand a chance against this bike, so far, not too bad. Little scrunched. I guess I can tell you I am 6'1", 200 pounds, and I got a 36-inch inseam. Just gonna roll on and go straight up to 65. Wow. Get a little space. Back off a little bit. We're only in 4th gear. Barely touch the throttle, go all the way, jump 10 mile an hour. It's a little chilly this morning, so maybe there might not be too many people here to do these demo rides. So I might be able to get on a lot more, who knows. A little chilly. It's a little stiff, but it's not terribly stiff. I don't think it's much more stiff like the suspension than my bike, but it is adjustable, fully adjustable suspension. There's a traction control. I don't know what, I keep hitting the clutch and I don't have to. Second. Oh, that quick shifter is smooth. That quick shifter is smooth. This is a good sounding bike for being a stock exhaust. Fuel gauge on it, trip, miles to empty, it tells you the miles on the tank, odometer, or like how far you went so far on this tank. So it looks like you get about 150 miles to a tank. If I'm right about what that one gas 116. I'm not 100% sure. This has to be till the end, 35 miles. So that must be how much you went. So adding that together, it's only about 150 miles on the tank. This guy is skateboarding in the middle of the street out in the country. Good, feels good. Not as comfortable as the bikes that I've been doing ride reviews on, but it's not terrible. Could be worse, I guess. It's no worse than my bike, really. A little tighter, but not that much worse. Little Sportster, old man on a Sportster. I like that. No clutching at all. It's weird. Sounds like it auto blips. This seat is high though. It definitely is high. Gosh, it pulls. Woo! Gosh, that's fun. Let's see. I'll get it up to 6th gear and do a roll on from 55. See how it, slow down a little bit, let that guy get ahead of me just a little bit. See what a roll on at 55 feels like. About 55, 6th gear. Still pretty good. Still pretty good. I love the sound of this bike, which I remember when I rode the 750, loving the sound of that one too. They got good little purr to them. Messed with the modes. I don't know what mode we're in. See if we can do this. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, look at these Can-Ams. Oh. See, every time I hit the mode button, it goes to traction control. I don't want to turn that off. I'm guessing I'm in A mode, that A, and it says S-DMS. I'm guessing that's the mode. That's so cool. I think it's going to fill up here in a second. I keep seeing bikes. I'm guessing I'm in A mode though. I mean, I guess that's what that means. What's this do? It'll change something. Oh, it changed my readings. It says battery volts and brightness or something like that. Huh. It's pretty simple. It's hard not to use the clutch just because of muscle memory. I bet this thing can do about 65 in first gear. Starting to get to my wrists. I feel huge on this bike. When I get tucked in, I feel like I'm right on top of the windscreen. Old school. Big old school. Rappy road. Yeah. Definitely getting to my wrists, which my own bike is starting to do that to me. It's starting to get to my wrists. About time to get something a little more comfortable. I wonder what that right next to the gear is a wrench. Does that mean this thing needs fixed? The brakes feel good. Brakes feel good. Clutch is light. Nice light clutch. The sheriff. This bike's pretty cool. Mirrors are blah. Pretty blah. Which, I mean, I can see those guys behind me, but I'm only seeing about 2/3 of the mirror. And this one, it needs adjusted out, but I don't think it'll go. And my whole arm's covering that one. This is a fun bike. Pretty sweet bike. I'm gonna cut the video here. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you didn't, hit that dislike button. If you ain't subscribed, please subscribe today. And I'll catch you on the next video. This is Woody. Peace and I'm out.